Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to start your new topics electric motor. To study the topic electric motor, which one concept are required? That's one already I explained. For example, first the force acting on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Second, to find the direction of force, we use Fleming left hand rule. All of you know that Fleming left hand rule. This is your left hand. Stretch your forefinger, middle finger and thumbs. Stretch your middle finger, forefinger and thumbs mutually perpendicular to each other in such a way. Forefinger shows the direction of magnetic fields, middle finger shows the direction of current, then thumb will show the direction of force. Thumb will show the direction of force. Then this Fleming left hand rule here also we can use to find the direction of motion. Firstly, we write the electric motor. Electric motor is a device which convert electrical energy to mechanical energies. Electrical energy to mechanical energy. Principle. Second principle we can study here. At which principle this electric motor works? A current carrying conductor experience a force when experiences a force when placed perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field. The direction of force is given by the direction of force is given by Fleming left hand rule. You see here, what is the principle of electric motor? A current carrying conductor experiences a force when placed perpendicular to the direction of magnetic fields. The direction of force is given by Fleming left hand rule. construction we are studying just now. Construction of electric motor. In construction of electric motor, there few points are needed to study. First, armature coil. Armature coil. Second, strong magnet. Strong magnet. Strong magnet. Third, split ring. Split ring. Armature coil, split ring, and construction. There 4 points written there. Armature coil, strong magnets or electromagnets, you can say. Strong magnet, which one you can use? Electromagnet. Electromagnet. Magnet. Split ring or commutator, known by these two names, carbon bruases. These 4 points are needed to study the construction of electric motor. Armature coil, what is definition of this one? It is soft iron core, windings A, insulated copper wire. I will discuss here. And which one diagram I am going to represent, that's one only given in yes and writer make that diagram. In NCERT and in other publishers, which one given the diagram, that is also correct. You don't understand, that is wrong one. But I will explain from that diagram, because that diagram, through that diagram you can able to understand this working of electric motor. You see here one by one. Armature coil first. You define it also. Definition also asking this, all this 4 topic. Definition and function both are asking here. Armature coil, it is soft iron core, wounded insulated copper wire. I will make here with diagram. This is soft iron core and here winding insulated copper wire. Like so. A, B, C, D. This is armature coil. Strong magnets. Suppose I will take a strong magnets only. Strong magnet, horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet like this. Then this pole and this pole I will represent here. This portion I cannot able to represent this portion. Then only this north pole and south pole I am going to represent. You see here. This is the pole of strong permanent magnet. Suppose this is north pole and that is south pole. Clear? Strong magnets, horseshoe magnet. After this, split ring. Split ring, it is part of a ring. Suppose any one ring, for example, you can understand split ring. This is the ring. Here I will make. This is ring, metallic ring, and you can break it into part. Then this is what is split ring. This is known by another name also, commutator. We are saying commutator. This split ring is known as commutator. The split ring, it is metallic ring. It is part of metallic ring. Then at the end of this armature coil, we connect the split ring S1 and S2. S1, S2. Be clear all of you? And S1, S2. This split ring is fixed under a carbon brushage. Carbon brushage, it is made by carbon which conduct the electricity. All of you know that carbon is only one non-metal which conduct the electricity. Then this split ring is fixed in carbon brushage. Carbon brushage B1, B2. After this carbon brushage B1 and B2 connecting through a connecting wire with a source of electricity, battery, and we place one key also here. Key, battery, key. Now in this position you see which one diagram I represent there. In that diagram circuit is open, nothing, anyone work is happening. When we make the circuit close, then all of you know that electric current passes from positive terminal to negative terminal like this. Like this. Clear all of you? This is construction of electric motor. All of you very clear? It is ABCD is a armature coil. S1 and S2 is the start of a ring, a split ring you can say. B1 and B2 is carbon brushage, and this B1 and B2 fix the split ring. After this B1 and B2 connected through a connecting wire, through a battery and a key. This is construction of electric motor. Now I will discuss working of electric motor. You see how this is work. All of you know that in definition written, electric motor is a device which convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. All of you very complicated about this one. How when we make the switch on, then electric fan convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. Which one technology is used there? Then today you are going to learn how this electric fan converted electrical energy to mechanical energy. Electric motor, how this is converted electrical energy to mechanical energy for pumping the water from well to your tank which is present on the roof of your house. Then today we learn this one, how this electrical energy converted to mechanical energy in electric motor. Working I am going to discuss. All of you see here, working. Working. See, when I make the circuit close, then electric current passes through B1, S1 through armature coil B, A, B, C, D, and in this way this is coming here. Clear? When electric current passes through them, then you see here, this is magnetic field due to permanence magnets. All of you know that in permanence magnet, magnetic field passes from north pole to south pole. This is the direction of magnetic field due to permanence magnet. When electric current passes through armature coil ABCD, then also magnetic field are produced. Electromagnet, this is behave like a electromagnet. Then magnetic field they are also produced. To find the direction of motion in armature coil ABCD, we can use Fleming left hand rule. Fleming left hand rule. You see here, this position is there. This is the direction of magnets, magnetic field line, north to south. That is direction of current direction of current here. Then which one force experience on that coil, that is in inward direction, means like this, inside, and here what happened, outside. You see here another one example. Suppose this is armature coil ABCD. When one force acting on here in downwards, then I take this end. Which one force acting like this? Or by using framing right hand rule, left hand rule, you see here. This is the direction of current. Sorry, like this. You see here. This is the direction of current. This is the direction of current. This is the direction of most magnetic field line, and the direction of force is upward direction. You see, Fleming left hand rule, using Fleming left hand rule. This is the direction of motion at this phase. Then what's happened there? If at that phase this is able to move in downward direction, then this is moving upward direction. After this, what happened here also, you see in this mechanism, all of you noted armature coil ABCD, through this connected the split ring S1 and S2. Then when this armature coil ABCD rotate, then what happened? Through them connected the split ring S1 and S2, that is also rotate. At this position, when armature coil rotate at 90 degree, then split ring S1 and S2 doesn't connect through carbon brush B1 and B2. At that position, split ring S1 and S2 doesn't connected through the carbon brush B1 and then at that position, what happened? Split ring S1 and S2 does not connected through carbon brush B1 and B2. Then you thinking such that in that position, this split ring is present there? No. Due to moment of inertia, that is, after half rotation, what's happened? These parts will comes, initially I represent like this one, like this. Then after half rotation, that will come at this. Here which one diagram I will show? After half rotation, you will see here. Brush B1 and B2 are fixed. After half rotation, that split ring S2 comes on B1 and S1 comes on this. D, C, A, B. D, C, A, B, A. After half rotation, this situation will come. Split ring is known as commutator because it reverses the direction of current in the coil. Now you will see after half rotation, initial this position are there, after half rotation that position. Then you see here direction of current is same one. Again here, which one force acting here? Downward direction, and here which one force acting? Upward direction. Then it is continuous rotate in the magnetic field due to permanence magnet. It is always rotate in between the magnetic field due to permanence magnet. When this armature coil connected through the axle, here we can place a axle. Axle, and in axle we connect the blades of fan like this one. Then when armature coil rotate, then this axle also rotate. When axle rotate, then this blade also rotate. When blade rotate of that electric fan, then what's happened? This is convert mechanical energy. Means we supply electrical energy and output we are getting here mechanical energy. Mechanical energy. Or you can blade you don't connect, anything you connect there. Then when axle are rotated, then what happened? Rotation means mechanical energy. In this way, electrical energy we convert in the form of mechanical energy in electric motor. Then this is the working. You can write this step also, definition also from your book, and working of the electric motor also you can write in own words. If your confusion, then in next week I am going to take your online classes on Zoom apps. There we are more explanation we are doing there. Or if you feel confusion, then you ask this question also, or which one problem. But when after this one explanation you study one times from R.S. Agarwal or from NCERT, then all concept may be clear you, or you can able to make clear concept about the working and construction of electric motor. In your examination, complete asking there, principle, construction, working with diagram. Then all this one completely you complete this one in your copy, fair copy you make this. Construction, working. Here one more question, definition asking also and function also asking. Then very well you can prepare this one. Definition and working. A function of this one. All these 4 points. Working you write in one words and you complete in your notes. Okay, thank you.